This National Day, serve up a delicious Sugee cake made in a rice cooker. My favorite part of National Day is watching the fireworks with my family. So today, we're gonna create some fireworks in the kitchen. Let's kick off by first creaming the softened butter. Set this aside to rest for 1 hour at room temperature, but we don't get to rest. In another bowl, I'm going to beat my egg yolks with some sugar and some vanilla extract. In another bowl, we're going to mix some flour, baking powder, diced almonds, and some salt. I know what you're thinking. Wow, another bowl? But I promise all that washing up will be totally worth it. Once you've got stiff peaks that hold their shape like this and a fluffy bowl of snow, you're ready to go. We can finally make our Sugee cake batter. Now we're gonna fold it in, but gently up. Brush the rice cooker pot with some oil. What I'm doing now is just leveling out the top of this cake. And now we just leave it all up to fate. No lah, I'm kidding, we're gonna leave it to this trusty rice cooker. While the cake bakes in the rice cooker, we're gonna whip up a beautiful vanilla buttercream. And all of these ingredients can be found at FairPrice. Time for the big reveal. Ooh, look at that! This is a celebration on a plate. I know it's Singapore's birthday and not my birthday, but still, I'm gonna have the first bite. So good. Super buttery, the texture is just right. You have the crunchiness from the nuts. This is perfection. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you soon.